Hello, hi everyone, and welcome back to the Anthrobotics and Project 87 YouTube channel. My name is Ian, and today I'd like to talk about a new series of videos covering the design process of our robot. Now this series will be a mix of streams on Twitch, where I'll be designing parts of the robot in Fusion 360 and 3D printing those parts. We'll go over the reasoning behind the designs, improvements made over our old models, and how it all fits together in one big robot. Now I want to cover some of the other topics too. Things like why we chose the materials we did, motor and actuator design, and even some tutorials for the software used, including Fusion 360 and Cura, which is what we use for 3D printing the parts. Now, coming up soon, there will be an invite link posted for our Discord server, so you can come join us there for updates, discussion, and even just to hang out. As always, all streams are recorded and uploaded here on YouTube so you don't miss out. Be sure to subscribe and hit the bell to get all the notifications for video updates and streams, and also follow us on Twitch if you haven't already. Finally, if you're interested in collaborating, or would like to check out all the technical stuff, why not stop by and follow our hackaday.io profile. All links are posted in the description below. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next video, or on the next stream. Cheers.